It's nice. It's nice for massage. It's good. So nice. Wow, really nice. Put in the box. Yeah, put in the box. Beautiful. Yeah, look like backpack. You can go anywhere. Yeah, you can take with you go anywhere you go. This one for massage. Everything massage. You hurt your shoulder, your neck, your hand, your back, everything. Yeah, it's good. This one. Wow. It's so nice. Yeah. Wow. So nice. They have one hat, two hats, and three hats. That's nice. Oh, see. Oh, this is a charger. Yeah. That's nice for charger. Good. So nice. Yes. Okay, one hat, and three hat, and a charger over here. This one hat over here, take out. Ladies. This for chargers. Yeah. Charger over here. This nice. This round hat. And put like this. These buttons are open. Yeah. It's so nice. PP Pro. It's nice. Yes, Safer Mask. Okay, let's go open. You hold over here. Yeah. Okay. We put number one. They have number one, number two, number three, number four, number five, number six. Done. They have number one, number two, number three, number four, number five. Okay, you put number one, you can massage on your shoulder. Yeah, when you hurt everything. Number one. Number two is too strong, but you can just put on your back, your shoulder is good, too strong. Number three really strong, you can put on your neck. Yeah, your neck and your back is good. And number four, yeah, very strong, you can put on your shoulder. Yeah, when you hurt something on the shoulder. Number four. And number five, yeah, number five is strong too. Yeah, number five is strong. You can put only your back. And number 6 very strong, can put on your back, your neck and your shoulder. Yeah, it's good. Okay, this is a hat. When you put, you need to put really strong go inside. When you put a little bit, you see they take out. When you put number 6, it's too fast. That's why you need to go in like that. You put too strong. Okay, you can put number 5, number 6. Did not go, do not out. When you put not strong, this will come out. Okay, you see, when you put number 6 really strong, this the head will come out. That's why be careful. You put only number 5, you can put number 3, number 4, it's good enough. When you put number 6, this take all the head out. Go really strong. Okay, right now, right here, you can change your head. Yeah, you can change your head, everything what you want. Some on your shoulder, some on your neck, on your back, and put, and this one too. Yeah. Yeah. It's nice. Yeah. Yeah, really nice. Nice. Okay. When you want to close, you need a hole. You want to close, you need a hole this one. You can close. Yes, put over here. It's nice. Yes, everything good. So nice. Yeah. Now 1 hat, 2 hat, 3 hat, and a 4 with them. And a charger too. It's good for you carry. You go out. Yeah, you go out, you carry. It's good for like this. Yeah, good. You can go out with you. You can take. It's good for massage everything. It's nice.